Rockies, call 800-825-5033. From west of the Rockies, toll free, call 800-618-8255. To reach George via Skype, use Skype name George97313. Send George a text message anytime at 818-298-6521. This is Coast to Coast AM with George Norrie.
Next hour, Sally 80 joins us to talk about We Are Electric inside the 200-year hunt for our body's bioelectric code and what the future holds. Should be fascinating. Make sure you're part of the program. We're going to come back in a moment with Doc Wallach and take final calls with him from articlehealthnews.com. May 27th, only a month away, we're going to Oregon.
This is going to be so fun. The amazing Granada Theater is where we will be, about 84 miles east from Portland. All you Portland people, come on out in the surrounding areas. Guests will include Dr. Sky, UFO abductee Travis Walton, and from Animal Planet, Bigfoot hunter Matt Moneymaker. The night, of course, will include a live band. George, you can sing a few songs. We'll do a salute to our veterans. We'll do a live Q&A, and we are just going to have a ton of fun. So go over to coasttocoastam.com. Lex has got all the info. It's right up there in the carousel.
Now, speaking of having fun, become a Coast Insider.
Hi, this is Jerry from Pearland, Texas. Loyal listener since 1996. I love being a Coast to Coast Insider because I can download shows to my phone and listen anywhere in Texas, from our Gulf Coast beaches to the mountains of Big Bend.
Hi, I'm Pam from Denver. I've been a Coast to Coast Insider for many, many years and love it. I get to listen whenever I want and get to tap into Art Bell's show vault. You too can get these goodies. Become a Coast to Coast Insider today.
This is Jack. I'm a Coast Insider and I love the show. I can replay the show from the night before or anytime with the show archives. All of the guests are very informative and super entertaining. Sign up and become a Coast Insider today. You'll be glad you did.
You sure will, and it's only 15 cents a day. Sign up one of two ways. Go to our website, coasttocoastam.com. It says Insider at the top of the homepage. You can do that. Or download our free app in the App Store, the Coast to Coast AM app. Put that on your phone. Once you do, click Profiles and Subscriptions, and you can fill out the information and sign up that way too. And it's also available if you live in Canada and worldwide. Now here's something for you to relax.
Increase your energy and stamina while enhancing your mental clarity, focus, and memory. Start your day with Elevate to improve your mood and alleviate stress. Then wind down at night with Accelerate for mental and physical relaxation while naturally cleansing and detoxifying, promoting healthy weight loss. Accelerate and Elevate, George's Power Pack.
I actually started this product not long ago, and I've just blown away from what it's done for me with energy, and focus, and clarity, and it's all natural. That is amazing. And I'm losing inches off my waist. I was feeling an underlying exhaustion that I could not shake. These are a gift. My mood has been incredible, and I absolutely love these.
Well, I get up at 5:30 in the morning. I have a lot of kids. I would take it, and it would last until I took the Accelerate. So before I started taking the Elevate and the Accelerate, I would typically experience some kind of anxiety or mood swing. Since taking the product, I haven't taken any over-the-counter medications or prescriptions. So clearly happiness is good.
I'm probably having anxiety or panic attacks every 4 or 5 days, and I have not had one depressive thought. I have not been anxious. I have not been worried. First time I took this pill, I didn't know what to do with myself. It just felt good, clear-headed. I felt focused. There was like a drive inside of me all of a sudden. I was just excited. I was like, is this for real?
Now the fucking animal making me slam on my brakes.
healthylooking.com or 800-394-9930. Don't forget promo code George for free shipping. That's 800-394-9930 or healthylooking.com.
When banks fail, when bonds are devalued, when the stock market is in turmoil, I'm glad that you want some gold, something you can hold physically in your safe at your home or wherever you store your valuables. And now you can also hold it in a retirement account. In fact, if you have an old IRA or 401k that's tied to a risky stock market, you can roll that over without spending an additional penny to a physical IRA in precious metals. And Birch Gold can help you own physical gold in a tax-sheltered account. We've known Birch Gold for a long time. They've been on the show several times. Good people. Just text the word COAST to 989898 and you get a free info kit on gold. There's no obligation to educate yourself on how to diversify in the highly volatile market. With an A-plus rating with the Better Business Bureau, thousands of happy customers, and countless 5-star reviews, you can trust Birch Gold to give you honest advice in protecting your savings with gold. Text COAST to 989898 and find peace of mind in gold. Adventure has returned comics and graphic novels from Marvelous Entertainment, based on the thrilling sci-fi masterpieces by Marvin Sunderland. Acclaimed comic creator Andy Fish and his team are bringing that sense of wonder and thrills in straight-out action adventures like those great old comic book stories you remember in their line of titles. iWagon, Haunted Planet, Space Rangers, Codename Atom Bomb, Tales of Singularity, and the kid-oriented Wagon Jr. Join them at iWagon.com. That's iWagon.com.
Poor Sam was a mess. Always itching, licking. His paws were soaking wet. He had bald spots on his back. CINOVITE.com. 2 weeks after he started Dynamite, I started seeing great improvements. And today, 99% of his issues are non-existent. Dynamite is